All right, here we are. We made it to our very last module. Congratulations, it's been quite a semester. It's 15 weeks. That's a long time to stick through it. So bravo for making it this far. Now, um, you just have to go a little bit farther. Okay. Um, Final exam is this week. It matters a lot. So don't sell yourself short, right? Make sure you're able to invest the time you're going to need to be as successful as you possibly can in this final exam. So let's take a peek at Blackboard. You should all know the information that's in here, but let's do the tour anyhow one last time. So again, competency test E, that's happening right now. If you have not finished that yet, then attempt two is due Sunday and attempt three is due on Tuesday. Just one last time, the final exam overview. 40 questions, multiple choice questions. A third of it will be things from the first exam, chapter 6 through 11, the ones that we covered since the midterm exam. That is the other 2/3 of the test, approximately. You can use calculator. You can use one handwritten note page, front and back. I will provide you with those ancient numeration systems and the geometry formulas. So you don't need to include those. There's no time limit planned for 2 hours. And again, take your time on this. Multiple choice tests can be challenging. They're not designed to be easy, but it can seem that way sometimes. Make sure you read everything multiple times, extra carefully, and just take your time as you go through the test. Again, for each chapter, I provided here some of the main topics that you wouldn't have needed to know from those chapters, terminology, things like that. And then I give you one example multiple choice question that is representative of the type of things that we did in that chapter. Doesn't include everything, obviously. So chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. I do then have the solutions to that at the very bottom. Okay. So back into the module, what do you need for the exam, taking it on campus? Again, testing center hour. You need to make an appointment for that. You need your identification, your calculator, your notes. Give yourself your time. Here are those hours. Here's the phone number. Here's the email for the testing center if you need it. Here's exactly what you will see for those ancient numeration systems, that document, and then the geometry formulas. Here's exactly what you'll see on that exam. Okay, so that is what I will be providing you. And then just again, the reminder to complete that final exam. That's it. I will be having a proctored session myself on Wednesday night. Wednesday night, I'll be having that proctoring session myself. Just like before, it'll be 6 o'clock start time. I'll stay through 9 if need be, but 5:30, around then, I'll be there, open the doors. So if you want to get there a little early just to get settled, that's great. Bring your calculator, I'll bring some too, but make sure you bring all the things that you need. If you replied on the form, great, thank you. I know you're coming. If you did not reply or you said no, I was just gonna take it at the testing center. But if you change your mind and you want to come, I'd love to have you just send me an email by Wednesday afternoon so I know how many copies of the test to bring with me. Otherwise, you should all be taking it at the MCC Testing Center, or I think a couple of you have already arranged with me to have it proctored at some other location. I think that's it. I think that's it that we have to talk about here. Just go through my own notes. So yeah, that's it. One other thing to remind you that the extra credit assignment from module 14 is still available. That'll be available through Friday. It's the frequently missed problems. So if you haven't done that yet, I'd recommend it. Get every bit you can. That's it. Please let me know what questions you have if anything comes up in the next few days as we move through this final module. Take care.